So first thing, I'm going to create a terrain um, on which the player is going to walk. So right click and go to 3D objects and terrain. Um, and then going to go to terrain properties, plain terrain, and then I'm going to set height so that if you want to add some uneven surface or make some uneven surface on terrain, we need to set the height. So I'm going to set the height to 20 and then select uh, paint texture. I'm going to create a new terrain layer, create a layer. I'm going to select the terrain or image that texture that I downloaded from Polyheavens. And yeah, so it creates a new layer here in assets folder. I'm going to change the size, X size to 10 and Y size to 10, grid size. Okay, going back to the terrain, um, I'm going to now place the character in the scene. So drag and drop it here, and we can either move the character in the middle of the terrain or move the terrain itself. So I'm going to move the terrain to where the character is. And I'm going to rename this to Claire.